Hi everybody, it's Pam here, and V is behind the camera today.
Hey guys.
And I hope y'all remember the cranberry sauce that V made yesterday. We're going to use that today in our recipe. We're going to make some cranberry oats, which is just like the perfect breakfast this time of year. We went from pumpkin spice everything, and now we're cranberry Christmas. So it's one of our 25 days of Christmas videos. So I'm going to take a cup of oats. These are just old-fashioned oats. And then I'm going to add to that a cup and a half. Actually, I think I've got almost a cup and 3/4 of coconut milk here. And you can use any plant-based milk. I use coconut milk just because I like the added flavor of coconut in there. And to that, we have 3/4 cup of the cranberry sauce.
That color is amazing.
Isn't it great?
Yeah.
And it is a little bit tartar than I like my oats. So I have a 1/4 cup of maple syrup here, but I don't think I'm going to put it all in. I think I'm just going to use about half of it, because I don't think it needs a whole 1/4 cup. Just a couple of tablespoons maybe. And then I have just a teaspoon of vanilla I'm going to add in. And it's looking great already. You can see the red. We're going to take this over to the stove. And let me see.
Right here.
This one. Okay.
There you go.
And we're going to get this cooking. And I am just going to keep stirring this and heating it until it's the consistency I like. I like mine pretty thick. But I know some people like it a little bit more milky, you know, a little softer. And some people like it really firm, you know, almost like a baked oats type.
How do you like yours?
Mine's right in the middle. I like
okay.
Yeah. But comment down below and let us know how you like your oats. Yeah. And it doesn't take long, but we'll come back when this is the consistency that I like.
All right.
All right, everybody. So this is the consistency I like. See, it's not real firm, but not real liquidy either. I like it like that. So we're just going to serve it up here. I'm going to put some in these bowls. Aren't these cute?
Yeah, they are.
See if I can do it without spilling it. And I make this, and then I usually have mine and leave the rest for my son. You know, and then when he gets up, when he gets out of bed, he makes himself a bowl. And I have some dried cranberries here. And I use just a nice organic brand of dried cranberries.
You can tell the color is different because, you know, they're organic.
They don't add a preservative to them.
Yeah.
And then I've got some just chopped pecans I'm going to add on here. I thought that would be a nice addition. And some pumpkin seeds.
That's a good pop of color.
Yeah. Go with the red, you know, red and green, Christmas.
See, on Christmas morning, you can make a Christmas buffet out of it. Like make the oats and then put toppings on the side.
And then the kids can pick what kind. Have hot chocolate. And cranberry oats.
Yeah.
So that is another one of our 25 Days of Christmas videos. And remember to check us out on Facebook for Kindred Vegans on Facebook and Instagram. And we will post a picture of these, and along with all the other things that we eat. We're KVegans on Instagram. And our website is kindredvegans.com. So make sure you check us out there and let us know what you think. Comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time we make a new video. And come back tomorrow, because every day through Christmas we are uploading another video for you all, and we hope you enjoy it. And remember to become a Kindred Vegan. Join us. Be a Kindred Vegan. And we'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.